Do you ever feel like your BMW doesn't drive as smoothly as it used to, even though nothing is technically broken? Have you noticed small changes in how it responds, how the transmission behaves, or how the engine sounds during everyday driving? And have you ever wondered why some BMWs age beautifully, staying tight and refined for years, while others start feeling tired far too early? In this video, we're going to answer those questions, because there are habits that many BMW owners repeat every single day, completely unaware that they are slowly reducing the comfort, reliability, and long-term durability of their car. These habits don't trigger warning lights. They don't cause immediate failures. And that's exactly why they are so common and so dangerous in the long run. BMW engineers designed their cars with extremely precise operating conditions in mind. The engines, transmissions, electronics, and even the suspension systems are calibrated to work best within very specific ranges of temperature, load, and usage patterns. When the car is driven in harmony with those parameters, a BMW can remain smooth, responsive, and mechanically healthy for a very long time. When it isn't, it accumulates silently. One of the most underestimated factors is how the car is treated in the first minutes after startup. Many drivers believe that modern BMWs no longer need any warm-up, because everything is electronically managed. While it's true that tolerances and materials have improved, cold operation is still one of the most stressful phases for any engine and transmission. Oil needs time to circulate fully. Clearances need time to stabilize. Sensors need time to provide consistent readings. Driving aggressively during this phase creates microscopic, where that adds up over thousands of repetitions. Another common habit is inconsistent throttle use. BMW engines, especially turbocharged ones, are designed to deliver torque smoothly and progressively. Rapid, unnecessary throttle spikes during normal driving may feel harmless, but they place extra strain on drivetrain components and increase thermal stress. Over time, this contributes to rougher operation and less predictable responses, even if no fault codes ever appear. Short trips are another silent issue. Using a BMW primarily for very short drives prevents the engine and exhaust system from ever reaching optimal operating conditions. This doesn't just affect efficiency. It affects how cleanly the engine runs, how the transmission adapts, and how electronic systems calibrate themselves. Many drivers don't realize that the car is constantly learning from how it's used. Poor usage patterns lead to poor adaptations. Then there's the way the automatic transmission is treated. BMW gearboxes are incredibly refined, but they rely heavily on smooth inputs and predictable behavior. Constantly shifting between drive and reverse without proper pauses, resting the car on the transmission instead of the brakes, or applying throttle before the car has fully settled are all habits that slowly increase internal stress. None of this causes immediate damage, but over time, it changes how the transmission feels and reacts. Electronics play a huge role as well. Modern BMWs are complex networks of control units, sensors, and displays. Frequent unnecessary wake-ups, repeated ignition cycles within short intervals, and improper shutdown habits all contribute to electrical instability over the long term. This often shows up later as random glitches, slow infotainment responses, or warning messages that seem to come and go without a clear reason. The key point is this: most BMWs that develop problems early are not victims of bad engineering. They are victims of daily habits that don't match how the car was designed to be used. The good news is that these habits can be corrected immediately, without tools, without software, and without visiting a workshop. Back-end index pointing right before we go any further. If you own a BMW or you're planning to buy one, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We publish step-by-step videos that help you avoid costly mistakes, improve reliability, and get the most out of your car over the long run. In this series, we're not talking about modifications, coding, or mechanical interventions. We're talking about understanding the logic behind how BMWs work and adjusting your behavior accordingly. Small changes in how you start the car, how you drive in traffic, how you use driving modes, and how you shut the car down can dramatically improve how it feels over time. In the second part of this episode, we'll break these concepts down into a clear, practical guide. You'll learn exactly what to do differently, step by step, during normal daily use. And at the end, I'll share one overlooked detail that most BMW owners completely ignore, even though it has a huge impact on long-term smoothness and reliability. For now, keep this in mind. Your BMW is constantly responding to you. Every input you give it teaches the car how to behave. If you teach it bad habits, it will age faster. If you teach it the right ones, it will reward you with years of refined, confident driving. Let's move on to part 2, where we turn this understanding into concrete action. Now that you understand why everyday habits matter so much, let's turn that awareness into action. This part is a practical guide you can apply immediately, every single day, without tools, without software, and without stepping into a workshop. Let's start with the moment you enter the car. When you start your BMW, resist the urge to rush. After pressing the start button, give the car a few seconds before moving off. This brief pause allows the electronic systems to fully initialize and the oil to begin circulating properly. You don't need to idle for minutes, but those first calm seconds make a real difference over time. Once you start driving, keep your inputs gentle during the first minutes. Avoid sudden throttle inputs and high revs, even if the engine feels responsive. Modern BMW engines are efficient and powerful, but mechanical components still need temperature stability to work at their best. Drive smoothly, let the transmission shift naturally, and allow the drivetrain to settle into its optimal operating range. Throttle discipline is one of the most powerful improvements you can make. During normal driving, aim for progressive acceleration rather than sharp bursts. This doesn't mean driving slowly. It means driving deliberately. Smooth throttle inputs reduce unnecessary stress on the engine, turbo system, and transmission, and they help the car maintain consistent adaptations. Over time, the car feels calmer, more predictable, and more refined. Short trips require extra awareness. If most of your driving consists of brief journeys, try to consolidate trips whenever possible. A BMW benefits enormously from reaching full operating temperature. When that happens regularly, the engine runs cleaner, the transmission adapts more accurately, and electronic systems behave more consistently. Even one longer drive per week can help counterbalance frequent short trips. Now let's talk about the automatic transmission. When shifting between drive and reverse, always come to a complete stop and allow a short pause before engaging the next gear. This gives internal components time to disengage and re-engage properly. During parking, rely on the brakes, not the transmission, to hold the car. Apply the parking brake before releasing the brake pedal. This simple habit reduces long-term stress inside the gearbox and improves shift smoothness over time. Driving modes deserve more respect than most owners give them. Comfort and eco modes are not just about fuel economy. They often optimize throttle response, transmission behavior, and system coordination for longevity and smoothness. Sport mode has its place, but using it constantly in daily traffic teaches the car aggressive behavior that isn't always beneficial. Choose the mode that matches the situation, not your mood. Electronics require calm usage too. Avoid unnecessary ignition cycles, such as turning the car on and off repeatedly within short periods. When shutting down the car, allow systems to complete their processes before opening doors or restarting. These small moments of patience help maintain electrical stability and reduce long-term glitches. Infotainment systems also benefit from consistency. Let the system fully load before interacting heavily with menus, navigation, or media. Rapid inputs during startup can lead to slower responses and occasional bugs over time. Treat the system as part of the car's ecosystem, not a separate device. One habit almost no one talks about is how you end your drive. After spirited driving or highway speeds, avoid shutting the engine off immediately. Drive the last minute calmly and let the car settle before turning it off. This helps stabilize temperatures and allows systems to conclude their cycles properly. It's a subtle habit, but it contributes to long-term smoothness. Now for the overlooked detail promised earlier. Your BMW is constantly adapting to how you drive. Throttle behavior, transmission logic, and even some comfort systems learn from your inputs. If your driving is erratic, rushed, or inconsistent, the car adapts to that chaos. If your driving is smooth, deliberate, and predictable, the car adapts in the same way. This learning process is always active, and it's one of the most powerful reasons why two identical BMWs can feel completely different after a few years. By applying these habits consistently, you're not just preventing problems. You're actively shaping how your BMW behaves in the future. You're teaching it to be smoother, more refined, and more reliable. In the next episode, we'll go deeper into how the system inside your BMW responds to your choices and how to guide it intelligently for the long run. Because improving your BMW doesn't start with tools. It starts with understanding, awareness, and the way you drive every single day.